Students, I am H.G.TIWARY of H.G.TIWARY. I am going to teach you differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. Students, in first video, I have given concept of differentiation and related formulas and differentiation of the function of a function, that is problem based upon chain rule. Now, today I am going to teach differentiation of inverse trigonometric function and related formulas you must know, and how we can solve differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. In previous video I have also given formula, but I want to repeat here also. Here d sin inverse x by dx, student, 1 by root under 1 minus x square, and d cos inverse x by dx minus 1 by 1 minus x square. Third, d tan inverse x by dx 1 by 1 plus x square. Fourth, d cot inverse x by dx minus 1 by 1 plus x square. 5. d sec inverse x by dx 1 by mod x root over x square minus 1. And 6. sec inverse x by dx minus 1 by mod x root over x square minus 1. Here we observe that inverse function starting with c, their results will be negative and other results positive. So these are the formula of related inverse trigonometric function. Now I am going to solve some questions related to these problems. Y tan inverse 2x, suppose we have to differentiate this. Here chain rule is also applicable. So find dy by dx. So solution y 2x dy by dx d tan inverse 2x, it depends upon 2x with respect to 2x, and d 2x by dx, student. Now we know tan inverse x formula. Here in angle is 2x, so 1 by 1 plus 2x square 2 constant dx by dx, so 2 by 1 plus 4x square into 1. This is the value of this. This is a derivative of this, student, inverse trigonometric function. Now, next question I am taking before you, that is derivative y is equal to tan inverse log x, find dy by dx. Students, you see this function y tan inverse log x, so tan inverse depends upon log x and log x depends upon x. So here we apply chain rule. So solution y tan inverse log x dy by dx d tan inverse log x by d log x, it depends upon log x. With respect to log x we differentiate, and d log x dx. So dy by dx, this will be 1 by, here is at the place of x log x, so 1 plus log x whole square, and d log x by dx 1 by x. So 1 by x, 1 plus log x is square. This is the dy by dx. These are very simple questions I am taking. Gradually, I will go to the harder situations, student. So, in this connection, that is 8 question of R.S. Agrawal, y cot inverse xq, find dy by dx. So, solution, student, y cot inverse xq. Now, student, you see here it is very necessary. Y depends upon cot inverse. Cot inverse depends xq. Xq depends upon x. So apply chain rule. So dy by dx, d cot inverse xq with respect to xq, because it depends upon xq. So we differentiate this with respect to xq, and dxq by dx. Write in this manner in first step, students. Now in next step, this formula minus 1 by 1 plus xq whole square, and it will be 3x square. So minus 3x square 1 plus x6. This is the value of dy by dx. These are very simple questions I am taking before you to understand the concept. Now next question is, student, 9y sine inverse cos x. This is a question how to find dy by dx. So here, student, you see this y depends upon sine inverse. Sine inverse depends upon cos x. Cos x depends upon x. So solution will be dy by dx, d sine inverse cos x. This depends upon cos x, d cos x, and d cos x by dx. Student, we do in this way. So sine inverse x, you know, at the place of x cos x, so it will be 1 by root under 1 minus cos square x. Cos x is equal to minus sine x derivative. So minus sine x by root under 1 minus sine cos square x, sine square x. So minus sine x by sine x. This will be minus 1. Value is minus 1. So these are the pattern of solving questions. I am taking some easy examples to understand the concept. Cot x. Here y depends upon tan inverse cot x. So solution dy by dx, d tan inverse cot x, d cot x, and d cot x by dx. So this will be 1 plus cot square x and cot x minus cos x square x. So minus cos x square x, 1 plus cot square x. cosec square x, so minus 1. So this is the value of dy by dx. Next one, a student, question number 15. Then sine inverse x, find dy by dx. Student, this is the question. Now we know this. Tan depends upon sine inverse, sine depends upon x. So dy by dx, tan का cot sine inverse x and d sine inverse x by dx. So cot sine inverse x, it will be 1 by root under 1 minus x square. Student, here we have to find the value of this. So how we can get? Here cot sine inverse x, it is in theta sine inverse x. So let sine inverse x theta. So x is equal to sine theta. So we have to find cot theta value. X sine theta. So cos theta root over 1 minus sine square theta. So cos theta 1 minus x square. This is the value of cos theta. So tan theta we can get. Tan theta value you know sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta x, cos theta 1 minus x square. So tan that is tan theta, and cot theta is equal to cot theta root under 1 minus x square by x. So cot sine inverse x value root over 1 minus x square by x. So now dy by dx, put the value of this root over 1 minus x square by x and 1 by 1 minus x square. So this will cancel, value will be 1 by x. This is a derivative of this type of function. So here you have to take care, we have to find this value in term of x. This is the process. You let this is theta, then find sin theta. Here we want value of cot theta. So in this way, finding the value and substitute the value. This is 1 by x. Next pattern, student. Next pattern question. Sin inverse cos x and cos inverse sin x. Prove that dy by dx minus 2. You have to prove. So we will start from LHS. Student, proof. Write down value y sin inverse cos x, cos inverse sin x. Now we differentiate this. This depend upon cos, this depend upon sin. So dy by dx, d sin inverse cos x with respect to cos x and d cos x by dx and cos d cos inverse sin x d sin x by dx. So this will be, it will be 1 by 1 plus root under 1 minus cos square x. It is minus sin x. Here cos in 1 minus 1 by 1 minus sin square x and sin square cos x. So further student, dy minus sin x by sin x plus minus cos x by cos x. So this cancel. So dy by dx minus 1 minus 2 proved. So this is the process of differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. Now student, now other type of questions here you have to solve, which are based upon trigonometric formulas. So first of all I will discuss trigonometric formula which you have learnt in class 11, and then I will start the problem solving based upon that. So this is the second video. Now I will also prepare third video.